Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up a Sephora favorites. I was at the mall today and feeling really drab, and I was going to Sephora looking through some things, and I've never really tried any of their skincare stuff. I'm usually like, either it's like pharmaceutical, like skincare that you can only get from a spa, or it's like drugstore products. Like, I just find that I don't want to overspend for Sephora skincare. I don't know, just not my thing. But it was not on sale. The pack is $32, a value of 93 Canadian, and you get a skin barrier moisturizing mask. You get creamy eye treatment with avocado, glow recipe, plum, hyaluronic acid dewy moisturizer, Laneige water sleep mask, ultra repair cream, intense hydrating with some kind of oatmeal. I'm not even gonna pronounce that. And then hyaluronic acid serum, the Inky List. So I needed, like, I'm running out of my Image Vital C and feeling so like, just feeling we're like third week into January and you're just feeling blah. I've been lightening my hair. Not gonna lie, it's not at my favorite color right now, but I'm just gonna keep going. I need more self tanner. I need some things. So I thought I'd start off with this Ultra Hydration set to give me a boost. So we're gonna open it up together and see what the products look like and what kind of sizes you get. Okay, so this is the first full-size product, the Dr. Jart, I think that's how you say it, Skin Barrier Moisturizing Masks. You get one, and you're just gonna leave this on for 20 minutes. When your skin barrier needs something extra, this sheet mask is your friend, coated in our barrier strengthening solution with ceramide, NP, and panthenol. It sends moisture levels soaring and strengthens the skin barrier. So I may try this out. Maybe we'll try this out together and see how that works. So this is the other product, the Inky List Hyaluronic Serum is the standard size, so that is cool. So we use this AM PM, always use as your first serum. On cleansed skin, apply a pea-sized amount to face, neck. Follow with other toners and serum. Cool. So this is the size of the Ultra Repair Cream. That's a pretty good size. The First Aid Beauty. Apply from head to toe once or twice a day. Perfect. Yes, intense hydration. Need that. Need that on the hands. Like, when you live somewhere where it's cold, actually it's not really cold right now, but like your heat's always on, you're always washing your hands, like you just get so dry. How cute. Okay, the Kale's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. That is a cute little size. I feel like this will last me a bit. Like if you just take a little, oh yeah, that will definitely last for some time. So I think for $32, that is a great value for the products that you're getting. Now, this is the travel size of the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid. How pretty. That is so pretty. So yeah, I'm vibing all of the like creamy hyaluronic acid, intense moisturizer treatments and creams, and that will last me a long time as well. And then we have Laneige. So the water sleep mask. Apply evening across face, leave on overnight, rinse off in the morning. And that looks like you'll get a few uses out of it as well. Perfect. All right, let's do the face mask. So, avoid eye area. Before opening, rub the pouch 3 to 5 times for more effective absorption. Rub it. Okay, let's open this baby up. All right. Ooh, it's dripping. Dripping, it's dripping. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Okay. Oh gosh. Let's do this. Okay. So we're gonna put this on. I'm gonna let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will come back and tell you what I feel. All right, it has been 20 minutes, so we are gonna take the mask off. I just went into the package and took like the extra serum and rubbed it all over my neck, and looking very hydrated right now. Looking really sweaty actually. I'm just gonna rub this in to the rest of my skin. But yes, looks so hydrated. I am experiencing a little bit of redness on my forehead and around my nose, so I don't know if that is a normal side effect, so I'll let you know if like anything comes of that. So I'm not really gonna put anything extra on my face because I already got some redness, so don't want to mix things and like cause a reaction to the skin. So I just want to try some of the Ultra Repair Cream, the Intense Hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin, it says, so that's good. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my neck. I definitely am finding that's where I'm experiencing a lot of crepiness now, is my neck. So I think I need to pay a little bit extra attention and care to my neck area. We could even put some on the hands too. So this doesn't really have a fragrance to it, which is nice. So again, if you have sensitive skin and fragrances are an issue, this one doesn't have it. I'm gonna go and do a little bit of laundry, maybe watch a little bit of Netflix, and then come back and see if the redness has gone down. This is probably why they're saying to avoid the eye area. There could be some things in it that are a little bit stronger, so I'm gonna go do that and then come back in a little bit and see if the redness has subsided. So it's been about 20 minutes or so and the redness did go down. My face feels a little itchy. I'm not gonna scratch it, so I don't know if that is my favorite thing to use on my face. I think even without that, the package is definitely worth the $32 with the other 5 products that you get, and they're pretty sizable, so I can't wait to try out the rest of them. I will let you know if I have any further concerns with them at all, but yeah, I am going to go and full daughtry and watch American Nightmare. I just got like just over 7 minutes into it and I'm already like hooked, and probably will binge watch all 3 episodes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.